I ended up having to just break the seal of my tire, and then I pulled it through, y'all can see right there, and used a pair of Y pliers and pulled it on through with a little bit of dish liquid so it'll slide through easier. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I would like to welcome you to the TTG family. Now before we get started, I need y'all to do me a favor. Like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop. And once you finish doing all that, watch this video all the way to the end where you'll see my end screen pop up when I'm playing basketball. On my end screen, you'll see the last video I posted. Click on the last video I posted and like that video too, and then just keep repeating that process. Now that we got all that out the way, let's go ahead and get started into this video. Now y'all read the title right, we're gonna be trying to fix my stock tire, and like I said, it was only one of them that was messed up, and it's the valve stem. So I just left AutoZone, went and bought some valve stems, and it was $4 for a 2-pack. So we're finna try to replace this one valve stem. I already got the other one already off and out and everything, you feel me? And I just got finished watching a couple videos of people doing it without taking their tire off. Now I could take my tire off, but then I'm gonna have to break the seal of the tire and all that stuff. I just didn't feel like doing all that. It's gonna be a headache, and then try to get it to pop back on and then get it back on the wheel. It's gonna be a headache. I've changed the tire before. Me and my dad done one on his Tahoe before, so I know how to do it, and I know how much of a headache it is and how long it took us to actually do it. So we're gonna be trying to put this valve stem on without taking the wheel off. Now I know it's gonna be a lot harder. It's not gonna be easy, but I've watched, like I said, I watched a couple videos and I've seen how people have done it. So we're gonna try and see what we can get and what we can do, man. Hopefully we can get this to work, because I need to throw my stocks on so I can go ahead and get this car inspected. Now it is the weekend. Today's the 23rd, and I got an extra set of stock wheels, but they won't fit the Cutlass, you feel me? I recorded a video before this and I tried to put them on and they wouldn't go on. I mean, they're the right lug pattern, it's just my wheel studs are too short. I guess the wheel was for a car with a longer stud so you can put the lug nuts on. So yeah, my Cutlass studs was a little bit too short, so I couldn't rock them. But other than that, man, we're gonna be going ahead and try and fix this wheel. Hopefully it don't take too long. Hopefully it's pretty quick. I already know I'm finna struggle, but like I said, it gotta be quick. And then if I get this stem on, I'm gonna go ahead and try and put some air in the tire, and then see if it worked. Hopefully it worked, man, because I want to throw my stocks back on so I get these 22s off the front, because these 22s are rubbing pretty bad. And that's because, for one, my knuckles ain't all the way in, and two, the car not lifted up pretty high. So yeah, I need to get these 22s off so I can put my stocks on. So I'm finna go in the house, grab some dish liquid so we can try and squeeze this on there, and I'm gonna show y'all my materials, what I'm working with, because I don't have the right valve stem material to take off the stems and put the new stems on. I don't have the right tools, you feel me? So we're just gonna use with what I got, and y'all please don't make fun of me, but I'll catch y'all when we get to the backyard, and I'm gonna try to get this valve stem in the wheel. Hopefully it'll work, man. If not, we're just gonna have to wait. But I'm bringing y'all on this journey with me, so let's try to get this done. Like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop, and I'll catch y'all when I grab the dish liquid. Alright guys, so I ended up having to just break the seal of my tire, and then I pulled it through, y'all can see right there, and used a pair of Y pliers and pulled it on through with a little bit of dish liquid so it'll slide through easier. But yeah, got that on. So now what I'm finna do, my uncle went to grab the thing to twist out the valve stem, so we're gonna twist that out and then try to pop the air in there, and hopefully it worked, man. Hopefully it worked, because I need my tires back. So yeah, as y'all can see, went ahead and busted off the seal. Yeah man, hopefully it worked, and as y'all can see how bad the tire is dry rotted. It's pretty bad, but I really don't have a choice. I need to throw my stocks back on. So as y'all can see, brand new valve stem. Got it on, pulled through, nice and perfect. And I did get the right size. I thought I got the wrong size, but I figured out that I couldn't just go through the top. So my uncle helped me bust the seal. We ran it over with his truck and got the new valve stem in. So yeah, once he come back, he said he could bring me back the valve stem tool to twist out the inside of the valve stem right there. We're gonna twist that out, push air in it to try to pop the seal back on the tire, and then I'm gonna air the tire back up, turn the valve stem back in, and you feel me, air the tire back up. Hopefully everything goes well. So far everything going pretty good. It wasn't too hard to bust the seal. He ran it over one time and it worked perfectly fine. So got a new valve stem in there. I need to go ahead and change all of them for real, but I don't feel like doing them all. When I get new tires, I'm gonna end up changing new valve stems too. So once I get new tires, all the wheels gonna have new valve stems. But for now, just this one, it's gonna have a new valve stem, and then we're gonna throw these on the car in the next video. But yeah, finally finna have my stocks back on the car. One more time, let y'all see it. The seal busted. Like I said, it's not my first time changing the tire. I've changed the tire before with my dad, and he got all the tools, and I didn't feel like driving 10 to 15 minutes to his shop to get the tools. So we're just gonna rock out with what I have and what my uncle have, which my uncle lives right around the corner from where my Cutlass is. So yeah, finna go ahead and dog, I swear that dog barks non-stop. We finna go ahead and yeah, wait for him to get back so I can do the rest of this, and yeah, get ready to throw the wheel on the car in the next video. So let me go ahead and what I can do now is grab that other wheel, since I know, and I don't know if I showed y'all, but these are the wheels that we worked on the Cutlass, but it's too deep. I don't know if y'all could tell, but it's too deep for where the stud's supposed to be. So but these finna come off, and I can go ahead and grab my other wheel, bring my other wheel back. Hold on, try and do this with y'all. Oh yeah, so here go the old valve stem, and as y'all can see, it ripped, and the new cap, and I got one extra valve stem, so I'm gonna save that. And here go the other stock wheel, the other front stock wheel. I'm gonna be throwing this back on the car too. I never noticed these tires already had white walls just inside out, but yeah, I need to go ahead and put that up. But yeah, like I said, I still got one more valve stem, so whenever I get new tires, we're gonna end up throwing another new valve stem in. But let me try and finish getting this tire right so I can go throw them on the car in the next video. So y'all stay tuned, and hopefully everything works out good. Guys, I did it. So I should have recorded us doing this, but I left my camera here, and I told y'all he lived around the block from me, so I had to go to his house to use his air tank. So yeah, I forgot to record, but we back in the game. Now I can finally throw these stocks back on. And like I said, I still need to get tires, but man, at least we got the new valve stem in. So that's one, and then we come to this side. Here go the other stock, and this one, the rest of these was good. None of them was leaking air, but y'all see how dry rotted they are. I still need to get tires, but I need to get these off, so now I can have all four back on the car. Two, walk back over here, y'all see the front of the car. Three, with the new valve stem, and air it back up, and the seal put back. Everything's perfectly. I should have recorded. I'm mad at myself for not recording. And then the last one. So yeah, I'm gonna put these up somewhere. I'm probably gonna leave them here instead of taking them to my storage where I got all the rest of my wheels. But yeah, man, we back in the game, y'all. Back in the game. So this is, y'all can see, this is the one with the new valve stem, because it's gold. Y'all could tell. Didn't want to take it all the way off, but I guess I will. New valve stem, done by myself. I'm proud of myself, man. Y'all y'all should be proud of me too, man. I did it by myself. Like I said, it's not my first time changing the tire, but it is my first time doing a valve stem. I've changed the tire before, took a tire off, put a new one on. I've done it before on the Tahoes. I think they're 18-inch stock wheels. I think they're 18s with some thick tires like this. I'm sorry, y'all. These retainers make me talk weird, and I hate talking like this. Sound like I talk with a lisp. But yeah, I've changed the tire. Like I said, I changed the tire before on it's 96 or 99 Tahoe. One of them two, 96 or 99, something like that. 97, 98, 99, somewhere around there. Tahoe, Chevy Tahoe. One of my dad's. We changed the stock tire, and he made me do one by myself so we can get done quicker. And like I said, I've done it myself before. We ran over the tire, same thing we done with this one on his Tahoe. We ran over the tires and busted all the seals. That way it'd be easy for me to pull them on off, and we just running through them. I wish I was recording back then. I think I was 19. I wish I was vlogging cars and stuff back then, because we done so much to all his cars that he still have. And I'm really mad at myself that I wasn't able to record all that, because I feel like my channel would be so much further than what it is. But it is what it is, you feel me? Like I said, I should have recorded this process too, but I basically told y'all how I did it. Busted the seal, put the valve stem in through the back of the rim, poured it through with some vice grips, made it lock in. Went to my uncle's house. We pulled out the inside of the valve stem. I did all this by myself, turned that off, and then he used his air compressor to shoot air in it to make the tire pop back on to seal it. And then I just aired it up the rest of the way, and then put the valve stem back in. Well, put the valve stem back in, then aired it up all the way. But yeah, man, just like that, new valve stem, and my stocks are finna go back on. I could have been done this. I don't know why I never thought about it till now, but my stocks could have been back on the car. But man, yeah, I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro, so we can get ready to, as y'all can see, I had already started it, so we can get ready to take these 22s off. So yep, come back to y'all in a second. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm really proud of myself, because I did this all by myself without really any supervision until my uncle came, and he was like, come on, I'll help you pop the seal real quick and then throw the new stem in. So I mean, I guess I had supervision, so I can't really say I've done it by myself. But like I said, I'm proud of myself, and I'm also mad at myself, because I could have been done this and then been having my stocks back on, but I didn't think about it till today. So other than that, man, we good. But oh yeah, I also forgot to show y'all, I put my mirror up too. I need a new one because it's like faded right there, but put it up, and I just needed it up for inspection. And yeah, I put it up earlier today, right before I got ready to do all this with my wheels. And yeah, it's getting pretty late, so I need to hurry this up. So yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop. If anybody was trying to learn how to do a valve stem replacement, I hope I kind of taught y'all. Like I said, you just gotta be careful when you're running over the tire with your car, because you don't want to mess up your car wheel or any rim. You don't want to mess it up, so you need to be careful. I say have two people with you, like I did. My uncle drove his truck and I guided him. So yeah, have two people, don't do it by yourself. And yeah, just pop the seal, pour the valve stem in through behind the rim. Yeah, it's pretty easy, you feel me? It's not hard, and if I can do it, anybody can do it, if I say it like it. I'm not a master mechanic, but I'm trying to teach myself how to do stuff, you feel me? And I'm learning day by day, you feel me? Regardless, I'm learning day by day. But other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all got dreams and goals, make sure y'all chase y'all dreams and goals. Don't give up on them, because I'm sure not giving up on mine. And this is my dream, and I'm gonna make it happen. So make sure y'all chase y'all dream and goals, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching. Catch y'all on the next one.